Hello families, welcome back again to this video. Yes guys, today I am so excited to welcome you in another video, and also want to use this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Christmas and a prosperous new year. Okay, wherever you're watching me from, I wish you a prosperous new year. As we all know that yes, this 2020 is coming to an end. We're about entering 2021, and that is why I am making this video to tell you the thing that you will be needing, or the thing that you are going to do to better the year that is coming, which is the year 2021. Please, I want you to pay attention on this video, because I am going to be discussing an important issue concerning your financial status in this year that is coming, which is 2021. Okay, yes guys, if you want to have a massive wealth, like the wealth that you, as in when people see you, they will think that yes, maybe you've done some financial ritual, or maybe you've done ogwego or any kind of ritual just to acquire your wealth. You have to watch this to the end, because what I'm going to be listing now is very important, and I want you to please pay attention. If you have your pen, if you have your jotter, please take take down every bit of this information I'm going to be sharing with you. Okay, and to those who haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do. What are you waiting for? See, this channel has a lot of information to offer you. Okay, and to my current subscribers, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch my video. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the video. Yes guys, to receive massive wealth in the year 2020, I normally do this since I grew up to this stage to become an adult. I normally do this. Okay, and since then I can attest to it. I can tell you that yes, it has been working perfectly well for me, and that's why I am making this video to share with you, because I know that some of you might need the information. All right, so guys, what are we talking about? I'm talking about how you can use a simple kola nut. Yes, a simple kola nut to get massive wealth, massive, I don't know, massive breakthrough in this year 2021. Yeah guys, all you need to do is to get your kola nuts. Yes guys, this is my kola nuts. Yeah, so with that, before I get into the full details on how you can use this to get a massive wealth, let me just tell you the importance of this kola nut. Kola nut has a different benefit. Yes, it has a different benefit, spiritual benefit and physical benefit, but let us leave the physical benefit and talk about the spiritual benefit. Yes guys, in the Igbo land, we normally use this kola nut to marry our wives. In Igbo land, you use this kola nut to settle a dispute, a land dispute. In Igbo land, we also use this to bring joy, happiness in our life when eating it. But now I am going to be talking about how you can also use it to attract massive wealth as we are ending this 2021. This is what you need to do to achieve that massive wealth, that will make people to ask you, what did you do? When you get it, please make sure you get big ones like this. Make sure you get big one like this. So when you get it, today is 26, you are going to be making a prayer using this. Okay, the prayer that you are going to be making, you are making the prayer to your chi. You know what I mean by your chi? Your chi in English is called guiding angel. You're going to be making a prayer to it. Okay, so when you get it, get seeds. If you're watching this video today, if today is the day you're watching this video, this is 26, it is good that you start this today. Okay, please. And it's also very important that you start it 7 days to the new year or 6 days to the new year. Okay, so if you are watching this video today, I urge you and I encourage you to start it today. All right, so when you get it early in the morning, this color brings space. Yes, this kola nut, it brings space. So when you get it early in the morning, as you can see, look at the type that you are going to be need. There's different types of kola nuts. The one that has five head, 6 head, 7 head, 8 head, you don't need those ones. The one that you need to perform this financial ritual concerning the new year is the one that has forehead. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Yeah, this one has forehead. Let me count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the one that has forehead. That forehead represents north, west, south, and east. So when you get it early in the morning before sunset, look where there is, as in where sun normally come out in the morning, face towards that sun direction before the sun will set, and then make a prayer on the west using this particular. You said this is the type of prayer you are going to be making. In fact, you need to decree all your wishes, how you want your 2020, how you want your 2021 to be, how you want to be favored, how you want to back your money, whether in bank, whether in dollar, whether in trillion, whether in billion, whether in Ghana must go. Make it while using this kola nut. Decree what you want your 2021 to be. For example, now, me, I need financial favor. I will look towards the sun direction and I will pray like this. Oh my God, my chi, my guardian angel, as we all know, we are ending this 2021. I've come to thank you. I've come to honor you for all that you have been doing for me since January up till now. You have not disappointed me, and that is why I am offering you this goal for you to help me to achieve all my heart desire. I need money, I need favor, I need prosperity, I need car, I need massive wealth, and also pray that you protect me and my family, that anyone that says that we will sleep, I will not wake up, let the person sleep. And never wake up. Guys, this is a very powerful prayer point. See, don't joke with this. Anyone that is troubling you, whether in the yard or anywhere at all, whether your mother or your father or your son that is troubling you concerning your favor, concerning your financial status, and you are making a prayer, a new year prayer with this, the person is going to hear them all. See, if your hands are clean and you're making a prayer on this, say whatever you ask your chi to do for you, that is what it's going to do for you in the year coming, which is 2021. Make that prayer like when you're praying to your God, as in the Almighty God in heaven. Now you are praying to your chi, your guiding angel, to do more, because that's an ekele dika nke mere me. Ekele dike na nke mere me, ye me gini, ye me kwa ọzọ. After that, face west, make the same prayer. Face north, then face south, and make the same prayer. Then after that, go and drop it where leg normally go, where people normally as in go using the road. Okay, guys, this is not a joke. It has been working for me since I grew up to be an adult, and as a new year, that is every new year, that is what I normally do. Aside from a week to the new year. Okay, you can decide to start 6 days, then when you end it is 1st of January. Then if you're starting 1 week to the new year, when you are going to end it is on 31st morning or 31st evening. If you're making it every evening, it should be before 6 o'clock. Then if you're making it early in the morning, it should be before the sun sets. All right, I don't know if you can hear me or if you can get what I'm trying to do. Make this prayer. Please do not use anyhow kola nuts. Use the big ones, because this is some kind of offering. This is some kind of testimony. This is some kind of request. You want to get big something in the year 2020, so offer your chi a big something. Okay, you want to have big money, offer your chi big money. You want to have big house, offer your chi big house. You want to have I don't know, anything big at all, offer your chi big kola. Do not get the one that hand rejected. Do not use the little one. Okay, it's advisable that you use this big one, and the one that you'll be needing type of is the one that have 4 head, which represents north, south, west. Okay, so like me, I'm starting my own today because that's how spirit directed me. So I don't know if you're watching this video today is 20th of December. It's advisable you started today or yesterday, which is 25th. Yeah, you can start it 25th of December, you can start 26th, but do not start it something like 27 because it's not going to work. All right, so you end it within 31st and 1st, and that's all. You see, in fact, you are going to see how that year 2021 or any year at all is going to be a massive, glorious, wonderful, enjoyable year for you. Guys, I am not joking. You have to try this. You have to try this, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. That is the end of my video for today. Guys, I want to know your thoughts for more spiritual work. Our honey is also available. A spiritual work, yes, we are always available for it, okay? And if you're looking for how to get this type of cooler, I do sell it, okay? You can easily contact me. I am going to be dropping. Yeah, it doesn't matter your location, your destination, any place at all, anywhere at all you are staying, so far as you are living on the earth. Do the prayer, and I showed you, you are going to see how a year 2021 will be for you. You are going to come out in this channel and testify. I am not joking. I mean, you all should know me by now that whenever I'm making a video like this, I don't joke, and I don't make video. I don't just come out and make video. Before I come out here and make video, I do research. Okay, not only research. Almost all my video is what I have experienced or what maybe I have taught some people and it has been working for them. So whenever I'm making my video, you have to take it serious, and please do not hesitate, do not delay to share my videos. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.